here. Today I'm showing you our Yinghe warehouse. Come here with me. Here. These goods are ready to ship. Here. This is the large format printer. This is 1.9 printer. And here. These are 10 feet, 3.2 meters. So many products in the warehouse. You see, this is the 2 feet cutting plotter. These are the embroidery machine. And also here, a lot of products are ready to ship. This is also the 1.9 meter large format printers. These are the embroidery machines. Embroidery machines. These are the banners, flex banners. This is the 6 feet printer. 1.8 meter. This is DTF printer. 2 feet and 3 feet. Two A3 and A2 size here. This is the A2 XP600 hats. These are going to Nigeria, Lagos. Here. This is the A3 UV DTF printer. Here. A3 UV DTF machine. This is the embroidery machine, single head. And also this is the UV DTF. This is the DTF, the A2 size. These are the embroidery machine. These are double heads. This is the heat press machine. These are all the eco solvent inks. Check here, and here. These are all eco solvent inks. Let's see, so many inks here. This is sublimation ink. This is the 4 feet cutting plotters. Here, and here. This is the DTF ink here. This is also the embroidery machine, paper cutter. Here, this is the cutting plotter. This is the bigger size. This is the laminator. There's also the 2 feet cutting plotters. A lot of products we are ready to ship. So you pay the money, I give you the products. This is the cap press machine. And also, this is the one new sticker. Sticker here. Heat press machine. Flatbed heat press machine. These are the 8-in-1 heat press machine. So this is the cap press machine. Cap press machine. Sublimation papers. Sublimation papers here. And here. This is the DTF film. Different size DTF film. 60 centimeter and 30 centimeters. Here. Also, the small embroidery machine. So here we are. We are in Yinghe warehouses. Please place your order and I will give the products to you immediately.